Are you a nurse dreaming of working in Ireland? In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process of moving to Ireland as a nurse, including registration, visa requirements, and tips to land your first job. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to make your move smooth and successful. Ireland is one of the fastest growing destinations for international nurses. High salaries, a strong healthcare system, and a shortage of skilled nurses make it an attractive option. On average, a registered nurse in Ireland earns 35,000 to 50,000 euros per year, with higher pay for specialized roles. First, your nursing qualifications need to be recognized. Ireland's Nursing and Midwifery Board, NMBI, assesses all international nurses. You'll need degree or diploma in nursing, official transcripts, proof of clinical experience, English language proficiency, usually IELTS with a score of 7.0 overall and 7.0 in writing. Once you've gathered your documents, submit them to NMBI for assessment. They check your credentials and ensure you meet Ireland's nursing standards. The process includes application form submission online, document verification, payment of a registration fee, approximately 150 to 200 euros. Eligibility approval. If NMBI requires, you may need to complete adaptation or a competency assessment program, CAP in Ireland. Adaptation. Work under supervision in an Irish hospital for 6 to 12 weeks. CAP, assessment program testing practical and theoretical skills. Most international nurses from recognized programs may be directly registered, but it's good to be prepared for CAP. Once NMBI registration is confirmed, it's time for your work visa. Most international nurses apply for the Critical Skills Employment Permit. Requirements include job offer from an Irish hospital, NMBI registration confirmation, passport validity, health insurance, proof of experience. The Critical Skills Permit allows you to work in Ireland for up to 2 years, and after 2 years, you can apply for long-term residency. You can start job hunting even before leaving your home country. Some top sources: healthjobsireland.ie, official site for healthcare jobs, hospital websites, Beaumont, St. James Mater, recruitment agencies specialized in international nurses. Tips: update your CV to Irish format, highlight clinical experience, and prepare for virtual interviews. Many hospitals now do online interviews. After getting your visa and job, plan your move and accommodation. Tips: temporary accommodation near hospital initially. Open a bank account, Bank of Ireland, AIB. Apply for PPS number, needed for taxes and salary. Join expat nursing communities for support. Once settled, enjoy your new career and life in Ireland. And that's the complete step-by-step guide for nurses moving to Ireland in 2026. Follow these steps carefully and your dream job in Ireland can become a reality. Comment below if you're planning to move, hit like if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on working abroad.